Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you amazing living room flooring design ideas and tips to elevate your living space with best living room selection. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Step into a world of elegance and sophistication, where every surface is a masterpiece, every detail a testament to refined taste. Welcome to the enchanting realm of living room flooring design, where the foundation of your living space sets the stage for countless cherished moments. In this comprehensive guide, we embark on a journey to transform your living room into a sanctuary of style and functionality. We'll delve into the intricacies of material selection, explore the latest trends, and uncover budget-friendly options that won't compromise on aesthetics. Living room flooring design is not merely about covering the floor, it's about creating an ambience that reflects your personality and enhances the overall aesthetic of your home. It's the foundation upon which your living room's design narrative unfolds, seamlessly blending with furniture, decor, and lighting to create a cohesive and inviting space. With an array of flooring materials available, selecting the ideal option for your living room can be a daunting task. To simplify this process, let's categorize these materials based on their key attributes. First, hardwood flooring, exuding timeless elegance and warmth. Hardwood flooring is a perennial favorite. Its natural beauty and durability make it a worthwhile investment. Second, engineered wood flooring, offering a cost-effective alternative to solid hardwood. Engineered wood flooring provides a versatile and durable option. Third, laminate flooring, renowned for its resilience and affordability. Laminate flooring delivers a realistic wood or stone appearance without the hefty price tag. Fourth, tile flooring, a practical and stylish choice. Tile flooring is renowned for its water resistance and easy maintenance. Fifth, carpet flooring, indulge in plush comfort and warmth with carpet flooring, available in a vast array of textures, patterns, and colors. The ideal living room flooring choice depends on several factors, including lifestyle, budget, and aesthetic preferences. Here's a quick guide. First, for high-traffic areas, opt for durable options like hardwood, engineered wood, or laminate flooring. Second, for moisture-prone areas, tile flooring is your best bet. Third, for a cozy and inviting atmosphere, carpet flooring reigns supreme. The living room flooring landscape is constantly evolving, with new trends emerging season after season. Here are some of the hottest trends to watch out for. First, patterned tiles, add a touch of drama with bold patterns and intricate designs. Second, mixed materials, combine different flooring materials to create a unique and visually striking effect. Third, sustainable flooring options, embrace eco-friendly materials like recycled wood, bamboo, or cork. The best flooring for your living room interior design depends on the overall style you wish to achieve. Here are some suggestions. First, modern living room, opt for sleek and contemporary options like polished concrete, terrazzo tiles, or large format porcelain tiles. Second, Scandinavian living room, embrace natural materials like hardwood flooring, light-colored tile, or woven rugs. Third, traditional living room, create a classic and timeless look with hardwood flooring, patterned tiles, or oriental rugs. Budget-conscious homeowners can achieve stylish and durable living room flooring without breaking the bank. Consider these options. First, laminate flooring, offers a realistic wood or stone appearance at a fraction of the cost. Second, tile flooring, various affordable tile options are available, including ceramic and vinyl tiles. Third, carpet flooring, remnant carpet or discounted carpet tiles can provide a cost-effective solution. At Homes Decor Designs, we understand the transformative power of living room flooring design. Our team of experts is dedicated to helping you create a living space that reflects your unique style and lifestyle. Living room flooring design is an art form, a delicate dance between aesthetics, functionality, and budget. By carefully considering your needs and preferences, you can transform your living room into a haven of comfort, style, and enduring beauty. Visit Homes Decor Designs today and embark on a journey of flooring discovery. Our experts are eager to guide you through the selection process and help you create a living room that's truly your own. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing living room flooring design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.